If your outlet feels warm or hot to the touch, that is a serious warning sign you should not ignore. So, first off, cut the power to that outlet right away to avoid any risk of fire or electrical shock. Next, check if there's anything plugged in that might be drawing too much power or causing a short circuit. If you spot any frayed or damaged wires around the outlet or the plug, don't mess with it yourself. Call a licensed electrician to take a look. Avoid using extension cords or power strips with the outlet until it's fixed, because that could make things worse. Make sure your home's wiring isn't overloaded by too many devices on one circuit. You can also test other outlets in your home to see if they feel warm, which could point to a bigger issue. Keep an eye out for flickering lights or burning smells, as these can also signal electrical trouble. Lastly, consider scheduling regular electrical inspections to catch problems before they turn dangerous. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a warm or hot outlet is ignoring it and continuing to use it, which can lead to fire hazards. Fix this by shutting off power as soon as you notice heat and calling an electrician immediately. Another common issue is trying to repair wiring themselves without proper knowledge, risking injury or worsening the damage. Always hire a professional instead. The third problem is overloading outlets by plugging in too many high wattage devices at once. Prevent this by distributing your appliances across different circuits and using power strips with built-in surge protectors. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who can safely handle electrical repairs and upgrades. Contractors also find new jobs through the site, making it easier to grow their business and keep homes safe.